up, Adventures? We are at another day at Knott's Berry Farm, and we're doing another vlog, and we're watching Toy Story 4. Let's go.
What's up, Mrs. Bear? Good seeing you again. It's me holding Bodie.
We're going on Tira Sidewinder, so let's go.
Thank you for riding, and enjoy the rest of your day at Knott's Berry Farm.
Bad.
What do you think, adventurers?
Bad. Yeah, she's there.
I'd say a little short. Yeah, a little short. Give it 2 more weeks, okay?
Yeah.
Give big thumbs up. 2 weeks, guys, and we'll go on it.
Hang time by myself.
No.
We've been on the phone before. I like it. Adventures, go ahead first. Maybe you're right by me, Adventures.
So, for people that have not been on this ride, how old are you?
7.
7? How many times have you been on this ride?
A lot.
A lot?
Yeah.
So, if you can do it, anybody can do it, right?
Yeah. And face your fear. If anyone tells you can't go on the ride, don't believe them. Just believe in yourself.
Unless you don't reach the height requirement. Then if you don't reach the height requirement, then yeah, you can't go on the ride. But if you can, you're all good. Seven years old, 10. If they can do it, you guys can do it. But let's go ahead and go on another ride.
Come on, Adventures. Why is Broca sitting there?
Hey, Broca! Broca!
We just got done eating at Coasters. Now we're on our way to Ghost Hunt Alive. We have 1 hour left to go see Toy Story 4.
Yeah!
Are you going to use that? Hold down. We've never been to the hold down.
Daddy, can we go to old school?
Maybe. Let's go see what's going on.
I want to see the candy store.
These right here, these honey sticks, I used to love them when I was little, dude. I'd munch on these all day. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, that's it. all this stuff right here? All this stuff is stuff was at the Boysenberry Festival, dude. I'm glad they have this stuff because I love all of it. Yum, 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 yum. All this. Like 50 takes. 50 takes for 1 minute. Ridiculous.
Cheers, mommy. Cheers.
Come on, Ian, let's go out have a try. Happy Founders Day! Come on, girl. Come on, Ian. Look at this. So tell them, say, when you're here at Ghost Town Live, you gotta check this out. And it's a hot day. This will help you cool down. Come on over here, friends. Come here. Hey, come here. Hey there, you think you could help me with something?
Yeah.
Come here. Ah. Come here. Hey, Sophie, come out front here and help. You put that thing before you this one does it. Try it again, hit it again. See, it's not working. Try it again, That one works good. Alright, try it again. Well, that one works over there. That one works fine. Here, try it again. Ow! Oh, you got it. Here, you want to go try it?
I got what?
Brody's turn. Okay.
Did I try that one?
Yes, sit right here. Okay, right over here. Watch this game. Here, go ahead. One more, that's it. That's good. Ma'am, I'm gonna have to add you. But anyways, enough joking aside. Here we go again. I got chicken tenders. What's your favorite food, bro guy? French fries. So in Knott's Berry Farm, this is the only place that you can get a double cheeseburger. Well, I mean, you can get a double cheeseburger somewhere else, but they're gonna upcharge you. So come to Coasters and you can get a double cheeseburger. But if you have not seen a special here that they have at Coasters, go to Knott's Berry Tales. Go check out Knott's Berry Tales and see how he does his burgers at Coasters. So when you hear double cheeseburger, Coasters.
Mayfield, are you with the newspaper or something? I'm glad you're alive. That was a relief to see that you were not dead. How's everybody doing?
Good, Ox. How are you doing?
I'm happy. It's Mayfield Day.
Yeah!
Plus, get this. Since I was last in town, the judge started writing love letters to my wife, but he has to stop because I won to beat him in a competition. He has to stop for a month. Yeah. So I'll have a chance to win her back.
Yeah! You go, Ox! Have a great day, Ox.
I'll be around. You guys be around?
Yes, sir.
All right, see you then.
You get that? Oh, it's that Toy Story 4.
You guys are laughing at me.
Why can't we laugh? Are you filming this?
Are you filming this? No.
Hi, how are ya? Okay, wait, you're gonna send Miss Ashley response for me, okay? You're gonna hold this and you're gonna jump up and
Can I do it again? Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and becoming an adventurer. Bye bye. And watch Toy Story 4 with us. Bye.